Like little bits of it at a time.
You ever feel how short that is?
No, because it didn't even like, it's had to got it.
No, not short.
Just from the out at the moment. Why isn't it that short?
I don't know.
I don't want it that
Maybe
short.
I should have cut it further.
No, just keep it going like this. 8's fine. I like a little bit of length.
An 8 isn't fine.
An 8's real long. You're getting an 8?
Yeah.
He'll be
That's
really
real long.
He's cut shorter than 8 on some parts.
Is he?
He will have done.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ben!
No, I haven't.
No, you will have done.
Have I?
Yeah. You might as well just get a 6.
Yeah, I
You
might
need
as well
to
get a 6.
No, keep 8, keep 8.
We'll get a 6 because you need to.
That's short.
It's not that much shorter. You've got real thick hair.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, I've got them a week on that. You can have one at the top.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
How's it going?
He's hardly even touched now, is it?
No. It's just getting little bits.
Get his face on the video.
No, I get my face.
Shall I get his Twitch? Twitch.
There you go, there's one for you.
Wait, do it again.
What, Twitch?
Yeah.
Can't, is it razor him?
I think it needs to be a bit shorter.
No, 6 is the limit.
6? It's not even short.
I don't want it that short, Gary, I said that.
What's the point?
6 is the limit.
Alright.
So as you going to the Twitch?
I'm just zooming in.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
That was a mum and belly.
You're paranoid.
Fuck boy. Trash.
Oh, my hair.
You do it, it's better short.
I've had some good times.
I'm never gonna say Charlie bit me.
Well, no,
Yeah.
after it.
Bandy!
Charlie!
We've had sex with Chloe.
Can you not copyright my dog? He didn't want to be on the YouTube again.
Can I feel it?
Charlie!
We keep doing this to side to side.
Charlie, go back neck.
Alright.
Get down.
It's not that short.
Sit.
Oh, we're good up a bit. How can I keep going past How can I move it?
Charlie's lost.
Ben, stop being mean. Charlie!
Oh, he got out. Go get him.
I think you're on that bit. Ben, get the scissors on this bit, yeah. Ben.
No, Charlie, bite him.
I can't do that. Not that it's ticking.
Nah, it needs to be miles shorter
You
than
can't
that.
get it short because it's only goes as short as it.
Yeah, but it's still got loads of ball patches.
What? What? Really?
No. Oh, that one.
I don't think my game sounds good, Jim, you know.
They should have 4.
Oh, yeah. Come. Yeah, you won't get in there. Wait, this sword. Oh no.
That's for introduction.
Oh no. Look how long it is here.
You fucked us.
Fuck off.
Didn't Busby say he was going to come out tonight?
Busby.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Gary, stop going side to side.
No, but you have to do it as well.
He don't.
It's real, because that bit's real long on the top. Right, this side. Fucking hell. It is quite long on the top.
Yeah, too long.
It is too long.
Needed number 0. Like a clean shave.
What? Yeah, that was. I
Clean
think
shave.
everyone else did. What?
Clean shave.
Fuck that.
Go on.
Nope.
You want a clean shave, haven't you?
No.
Fucking ginger bastard.
You all have credit to me for this.